Students, today I am here to teach you new lessons of aptitude. Students, today we are going to learn something different. I know all are knowing about cubes and cuboids. Okay, so today we are going to learn if you are having at home cubes, please take it and understand this lesson by using these cubes. Okay, so I would like to welcome you on this section, and we'll go ahead to learn this. See, this is our lesson cubes and cuboids, lesson number 17. So here I wanted to show you that this is cube. Got it? This is cube, and in this cube let me tell you, at the one side how many total cubes are there. So if we count, we can see total at one side, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. At one side, at one face, total 9 cubes are there. Okay. 9 cubes. So this is a big cube. Okay, and these are blocks. These are cubical blocks. So here how many sides are there for one cube? We can see here 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and downside 6. At this place, downside, this is the 6th one. Got it? Once again we are going to see total how many sides are there for the cubes. So this is 1, 2, opposite 3, 4, and 5, and downside this one is 6th. Got it? Down one is 6th one. So total 6 sides are there to the cubes, and by understanding or by getting these things, we are going to learn cubes, cuboids questions. So we will see today first one. All the faces of a cube of side 9 cm were painted with same color. Here I am having with different color, but we consider as it same color. Okay, so you can make at home by using activity paper, or by using cardboard, or by using any paper. Make it with only one color and understand it. Okay, so it was cut into cubical blocks, each of side 3 cm. So here we will consider that this is 9 cm. This total is 9 cm, 9 cm, 9 cm, 9 cm. From this side also 9, 9, and 9. Okay. So here they have told us all faces of cubes side. Okay. 9 cm, and they all are painted with same color. And it was cut into each of side 3 cm. If we are going to suppose imagine that this side is 3 cm, so this is cubical block. What they have asked us, cubical block. So this is cubical block. If we see here, this is block. Got it? This is block. We can see this is also block. Here one side, second side of block, third side, and the fourth side is behind this. Got it? So this is block. This is one block, cubical block. So these all sides are cut into 3 cm. Okay, 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. So all 6 faces are cut in 3 cm. So total, so what is our question? Our question is the number of cubes obtained is, means suppose 9 centimeter cubes are cut in 3 centimeter of each side. So total number of cubes, how many it will be there? So for this answer we have to see that 9 multiplied by 3, then we will get answer 27. 9 multiply by 3. So 9 into 3 means 27. 9 3s are 27. So total 27 blocks we are getting over here. How many? If we can see this, 1 minute students. We will rotate this. Okay. This I have made for you to understand you. If we'll see these blocks, okay, so this is one block, this is second and this is third. So in this one phase total 9 blocks are there, total 9 blocks. Okay, in this second part here also total 9 blocks are there, and in this third part total 9 blocks are there. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. So we have got our answer 9 threes are 27. So the number of cubes obtained is 27. Got it? Next, the number of cubes with only one face painted. The number of cubes with only one face painted. So here, to clear your doubt, we will see which blocks are having one face and which blocks are having two face, or which blocks are having three faces. Now concentrate here. If we see around it, so this in the center, so whichever block is in the center which is having only one face, we cannot see this side of this block, we cannot see this side of the block, so we cannot see here also and we cannot see here. So right, left, up and down, from every side it is block, it is totally block. So here we can see only one face of this block. Got it? Good. Now here we can see two face of this block. So this is one face and this is second face. So we can see of this middle block we can see two faces, 1 and 2, and which are in corner. Which blocks are in corner? We can see total 3 faces, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here we can see total 3 faces. So again I will explain you which blocks are in the corner side. So these are 4 blocks which are in the corner side. So we can see 3 faces, total 3 faces here, which are in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are in the middle. We can see 2 faces, and which is in the center. In the center of all the blocks, which is in the center of all blocks, we can see only one face. So got it? Sorry. So what is our question? The number of cubes with only one face painted is. So if we count the number of cubes having only one face painted, so how many sides total we have here? 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the down one 6. Got it? Total 6 sides are there of this block. Okay, in the center we have got one face painted, only one block, means total 6 cubes are with only one face painted. I hope everyone understand this answer also and understand this question also. Next one, the number of cubes with two faces painted. Right now only I explain you, student. I hope you are getting it, you understand it. Okay, once again see here. The number of cubes with two faces painted. I have already explained you. We can see here two faces painted blocks 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. But here at the one side we can see two faces painted. Okay, but we have to count the others also. We have to count other faces also. So what is our question? Our question is the number of cubes with two faces painted. So students, see here number of cubes with two faces painted we have to count now. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. Okay. And if we see this, so this is total 4. If we see this, okay, this also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 and 4 means 8. Okay, and if we see the third block, number of 2, if we can see faces painted. So 1, 2 and 3. In each block we can see 4 are there. So it means 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here our answer is 12. So number of cubes with two faces painted is 12. Next, the fourth question, the number of cubes with three faces painted. The number of cubes with three faces painted. Already we have seen this, how to understand the three faces painted. So here 1, total the corner side of cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Here we cannot say that this three faces are painted. We cannot see that. Got it? So one side 1, 2, 3, 4 and the second side 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 4, 8. The number of cubes with three faces painted, the answer is 8. Got it? The number of cubes with 4, next question, the number of cubes with 4 faces painted. So I hope all are knowing that we cannot see 4 face of this cube. We can see only one side face, we can see only two side face and we can see three side face. See, this is 3 side, 1, 2 and 3 side face. But we cannot see 4 faces. So that is why the answer will be 0. The number of cubes with 5 faces painted. Actually these blocks are not having at all 5 sides. Okay, so here this answer also will be 0. The maximum number of painted faces a cube can have is. So the same question we have got here, students, again. So what is the number maximum faces painted is having? Obviously it will be 3. We can go ahead. We can see the next question, B. All the faces of cuboid of dimensions 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So students, this is a different question. This is a different question. So we just have to imagine, if we see in this picture, already they have told us 8, 6 and 4. 8, 6 and 4. And if we see here, so which side is long, we can consider it at 8 centimeter. Which side is little short, we can consider at is 6 centimeter. And which side is less than 6 centimeter, we can consider it 4 centimeter. So what is our question? All the faces of a cuboid of dimension 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter were painted with same color, and it was cut into cubical blocks each of side 2 centimeter. So here we can see, students, here if we can see, so this each and every block is 2 centimeter. If we can see here, students, I know this is little difficult to see you, it is not clear, but you can understand when you see in the book. This block is cut into 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. All sides are 2 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And this is 2 centimeter. Sorry, 4 centimeter. Got it? And the blocks are cut into 2 centimeter. So what is our question? You can see here, what is our question? Now answer the following. The number of cubes obtained is. The same question we have got in the last cubes and cuboids question, and the same question is here. Total number of cubes or total number of blocks, how many are here? So if we will count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at the one side 12 blocks are there, and this is the second side. So 12 into 2 means total 24 blocks are there. Our answer will be 24. Our answer will be 24. Next, the number of cubes with only one face painted is. This is very easy also. Here we can see here. So which are the corner parts? Here these are 3 faces. These are having 3 faces. Okay, and which are in the middle? Which are in the middle side? Okay, these are having 2 faces. Okay, and which are in the center? Which are in the center, which is having only one face. The number of cubes with only one face painted. So at one side we have got 2 blocks, and in the second side we have got 2 blocks. Okay, the answer will be 4. The number of cubes with only one face painted, answer will be 4. Next, the number of cubes with 2 faces painted. The number of cubes with 2 faces painted. Already, students, we have seen that. So this is one face painted. This is one face painted. This is 2 face. This side also two face. So here at one side we have got total two blocks. Here also this side we have got total two blocks, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12. So two faces painted, answer will be 12. Next question, the number of cubes with three faces painted. This is also very easy, students. See, at one side 1 2 3 4. This is at the part 1. Okay, total 4 blocks we have got in the one side, and in the second side same blocks we will be getting. Then 4 and 4 8. The number of cubes with three faces painted, answer will be 8. Next, the number of cubes with four faces painted. Obviously it will be 0 because we cannot see four faces painted side. Okay. Next, the number of cubes with five faces painted is, that answer will be also 0. The number of cubes with all faces painted, this answer will be 0, because students, we cannot see all faces of the blocks, and we cannot paint all the sides of blocks. That is why with all faces painted, 0 blocks are there. The maximum number of painted faces a cube can have is, we have already seen that the maximum number of painted faces. So total this three sides or this three face we can see. So the answer will be 3. Maximum number of painted face, 1 2 and 3. The number of cubes with no faces painted. No faces painted, this answer also will be 0, because maximum one face we can see. Okay, so in the center which block is there we can see it, so that is why no faces painted is answer 0. The number of cubes with at least one face painted is, so at least one face. So here we will see at least one face at the one side 1 and 2, and the second side means here at least one face painted. Don't count only which is having or which is showing only one face. We have to count all the blocks, because all the blocks are having at least one face painted, means minimum one face painted. So that is why the number of block is our answer, means total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. At one side 12 blocks are there, and we can see one face at least each block, means 12 and 12 means 24. So 24 answer will be correct of 10th question. Next, cubes with 2 or more faces painted. So here we cannot consider which is having one face, we have to consider 2 and more, means 2 and 3 faces painted if we count. So total for that we have to just remove center place, means 1 and 2, this 2 we have to remove, and we have to count which are in the side or at least in the corner. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So at one side 10 and in the next side 10, means total 20. Number of cubes with 2 or more faces painted, answer will be 20. I hope you all have understand this and you are getting this all answers.